Hello there. Welcome to Happy News Network. I am AB, bringing you the eye on the happy news to you from around the world for today. Kid named Jay recovered from cancer after surgery to remove his kidney and the tumor and 6 months of chemo. Jay is officially cancer-free.
Good job.
Maryland student who took a garbage collector job to support family goes to Harvard Law School. Look at his reaction.
Congratulations! Oh. Let's go!
An off-duty officer saved a young boy from a possible shark attack.
Hey, shark! Hey, there's a shark right there. There he is.
Right here.
Ready? Got him? Where's the shark?
A Russian teenager is again playing, less than 3 weeks after being struck by lightning. 16-year-old Ivan survived and signed a new deal.
Цепочка идет, здесь что напиши.
Это вот эта цепочка, такой большой шрам?
Да.
А можешь еще раз показать,
Легкий. Тяжело, тяжело дышать там вот это все. Но сейчас все лучше и лучше становится. Хорошо уже все.
Герасимова и Михаила Багаева, получив профессиональную форму.
The last news we got is a funny incident. It took place in virtual UK parliamentary meeting when a cat interrupted during the meeting. Have a look.
Literacy, YouTube, which you mentioned in Caroline, already do it. Kids do it, YouTube kids do it, and the BBC are also now embracing this. Why, and I apologise for my cat's tail, why are you not doing this by default? Rocco, could you tell them?
90% of CITV
That's a guarantee.
90% of CITV content.
I just do that to
Get our
wrong
publicity.
people appearing before us.
That's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss any happy news from us. And always remember, no matter how tough things get around the world, there's always something positive and entertaining happening around the world. Goodbye, take care, stay tuned and be happy always. Spread happiness.